Hi friends, this is Parag. Now, basic list methods. What are those? We will first discuss the remove method. Method is remove parenthesis. When this kind of syntax is there, these are nothing but methods. Okay. LST. We have MNO. Here we have given this A. CA. Now suppose we given here LST dot remove A. What will happen? When we will call this LST here, after lst.remove running a, what will be there in the list? We will remove this a. Now see, do you got it? In this list we don't have this a with us. See this a, now it is absent here. See, after 40 it is 100, and here after 40 and in between 100 there is a. In this way we remove with the function. Now we will see the pop function, pop method in list. lst.pop. As we know what lst contain, these main element contain in the lst now. So dot pop what will do? It will pop out the elements from the list. See, lst.pop, which is added in the last. The pop method removes the element which is added inside the list at the last. And suppose we will run this pop again and again, then it will try to remove elements one by one which are added at the last. See, lst. Now inside this list only this many elements are remained. Okay, because m and o tuple was added later at the last, it is pop out with the pop method. Okay, lst.pop2 .pop2. So why this 30 is pop out? See, inside lst now only 10, 20, 40, 100. Okay, so you can see due to this pop 2, we have pop 2, right? Due to this pop 2, this 10 is 0th position, 20 is first position, and second position 30. So this 30 is pop out. Okay, so now here we do not contain the 30. Okay, so in this way pop function works. See, pop 2, now we got 40. Again we will run list, we got 10, 20, 100. Suppose we pop 1, this is 20 at the first position, this is 20. Now what is inside the list? 10, 20, 100. Okay, so 3 elements now remain only in the list. So let's see what is the append function done. Append method used in the list. This is the very important method because many times in programming you will need to use this append method, because when we do the list comprehensions where we use the list in the programming at the many stages, this append function will play the crucial role. So see, lst.append, what is mentioned? 99 inside. So whatever the element we will give here inside the append function, append method, we will add this element inside this given list. Now see, what are the elements inside list? Now suppose 110. Okay, this 10, 100. Now lst.append 99 will give us 99 added into the list. See, okay, let's append some more elements. See, let's append some more element. Okay, I will run in next cell. lst dot append, inside parenthesis we give the 200 comma 400 comma 500. What will happen? See, type error. Okay, why type error? See, it takes exactly one argument. Okay, so whenever you want to use the append function, it is a must, you should be confirm that there is only one element inside. Okay, so let's append this. Now we will see what is inside list. We append the 200. Okay, run into next cell. lst, see, we got here 200. This 200 appended, we got here. This 99 appended, we got here. Okay, in this way append method works. Let's see next method, extend. So what is the extend? Now you will see the difference. In append method we can give only one element, but in extend method, see, suppose x is equal to 101 102. Okay, and as we know, what is inside list? 10 100 99 200. Up to now we are having this element in list. Now we will use the extend method. So we create here one variable is equal to inside list 101 102. Now lst.extend method we use, and inside extend we pass this x. Okay, so after running this cell, we will extend this list with these elements due to this x. See, I run this cell and again I will run this next cell, this one. See what we got? We got 101 102 more into this list. See, this part is extended. Do you understood? Due to this append method we get this, sorry, extend method we get this extension inside our same list. See, list is not changed, the list is same, lst. Okay, so in this way extend function works. Now see, we will append here multiple elements. Okay, when we want to append the multiple element, we can give like this. Just create one variable, because extend is takes only one argument. Okay, append is takes only one argument here. Similarly, extend is taking one argument here. In this way, if you want to append or add multiple elements, okay, Then we can give the list like this, and this parameter inside append we can provide, so we will get this 103 104 like this as a separate list appended inside the list, previous list. Okay, see here carefully, we have got here list. Okay, this is list in square brackets, as it is we got from here. It is append function. Difference, see difference. Previously here, due to extend function we got 101 102, but it is directly got into list with comma separation. But due to append x we got here complete list, whole list appended next to the 102. Okay, these are the difference, keep in mind. Now we will see the insert function, how insert function work. See, insert method in the list. So sometimes we can call this method, sometimes we can call this function, because in future sessions you will come to know the method is nothing but the function only, but it is used inside the specific class. Right now we will not understand the concept of the class, function, method, but for right now just keep in mind that function or method are nothing but the same things, just there is a little bit difference. That difference we will study in the future sessions. Okay, now you say that these are the method of the list only. Okay, so to insert the item at a specific index position, we use this insert method. Suppose we have given here one example. Inside this example, n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we will insert 1 comma this many 7 numbers, 5 7. See the syntax of the insert. See, I will write here new line and dot insert and dot insert parenthesis. We will give here first position comma second position. Okay, so in first position we are gonna give the index, at what index we want to add the number, and in second position we will give what number we have to add. Suppose we have to add here 888 at the first position. As we know, 0th position is 1. See here, as we know, 0th position is 1, first position is 2, second is 3, fourth is, third is 4. Okay, in this way, fourth is 5. Okay, so at the first position what we will get here. Okay, so let's run this. Oh, n is not defined. First run this cell. Okay, now so cell is run successfully. Now we will call n. See, at this second position we got 888. Okay, see, 888, which is given at the index number 1 inside the list n. Okay, so this, before this 1 and 2 we got this 888, insert it. Suppose you insert here one list, comma 222, what will happen? See, we got here 111, 222 at the first position. See, this is 0th position, this is first position. Okay, in this way. So now we will see what is the difference between append and insert. Inside append, actually we have seen the append, extend, insert. We have seen the difference between append and extend. But what is the difference between append and insert? In the append list, when we add an element, it will come in the last. You have observed that whatever element we added, it come into the last position. Okay, so that will be the last element. And inside insert, so overcome some drawbacks of this append. Suppose we want to insert any element at any specific position, so what we can do, we use this insert. So at the specific position in list, we can insert any element in particular index, like we inserted here. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the insert and the append. Okay, so you also do different variations and try to go through the different variations of this insert, extend, append functions, pop method, different methods used in the list, and try to practice more, so you will come to understand what are the exact difference between the different elements.